Really?
Shoot. And standing on her last damn leg. Last damn leg got him. She's standing on her last leg. That's where she's at right now. Standing on her last leg.
Yeah.
Mankind. That's such a special bullshit.
Well,
This whole world,
if it ain't, I ain't
this
looked at
whole world standing on its last leg with God. It ain't standing on its last leg with mankind.
What about Jesus?
They're standing on its last leg with the words of Jesus Christ. Last leg. You ever run a relay race? Hey, a relay race, you got legs to run, right? You got to hand off that baton, right? Haul out fast as you can. Make it to the next one, and hand off that baton, because you got another leg to run. Got another leg to run! Before, when you run out on that last leg, you hand that baton off for the last time. And you head full finish line. Boy, you don't know which leg you're running on. Right foot, left foot, right foot. You ever watch relay race? That's what the world's like a big old relay race, man. And they're running on the relay race and handing off the time. I'm getting them out.